guys, how's it going? Happy Monday night. Sorry for the bad lighting. It's been a crazy day. I was couponing early this morning, like 8:30 in the morning, but I'm on solo parent duty. My husband is stuck in Kentucky. He left this morning and he will be there upwards until the end of October. Rough. Very, very rough. No weekends, nothing. He's just straight gone. So I got the kids by myself. The days are very, very long and stressful, but we're making it through. We're drinking a lot of caffeine. I had a lot of coffee today. I just drove through, got myself some more caffeine. It's never ending. But today I went to CVS, found some really awesome deals. Also, I did want to add that I'm sorry for being MIA all of last week. I forgot to tell you guys that I had a group of girlfriends fly in from Wisconsin and we had the most fun. If you follow me on Instagram and TikTok, you'll see that we went to Disney, Universal, the ocean. We did all kinds of cool stuff and it was a nice, much needed break, especially before my husband leaves again. He was just in the Carolinas for about 6 weeks and he's gone again. But with that being said, I'm going to go and show you guys my CVS haul. So if you are interested to see what I can find at CVS for this week, then please keep watching. So I want to start off by saying I do have a purchase coupon, and that is a $6 off of 30. That $30 is before coupons. I haven't had one of these in a long time at CVS, so I am super excited. Alright, so the first deal is going to be for Dove Hair Care. It is on sale too for $8. I have two different coupons that I'm going to be using, a 3 off 2 from the newspaper, as well as a 3 off 2 from the CVS coupon machine. After both coupons are applied, it will make each product only $1. Next up is Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. It is also on sale for $4 each. I have a digital coupon for $2.50 off of 8, as well as a newspaper coupon for $3 off of 2. And not only that, but on Ibotta there is a $1.50 off of each bottle rebate. So after the coupons apply, I'm going to pay $2.50 but get back $3 from Ibotta, making them not only free but a 50-cent moneymaker. There is a promotion on Nexus that if you spend $20, you'll receive a $10 extra care buck. I'm going to grab 2 of these for $11.99 each. I have $5 off coupons from the newspaper. I will be using 2 of those, as well as a $4 off digital coupon. So after the coupons, I'm going to pay $9.98 but receive that $10 extra care bucks, making the Nexus products completely free. Next up is CoverGirl Cosmetics. There is a promotion that if you buy 2 products, you receive $6 in extra care bucks. You can get any products that you'd like, but I wanted to find the cheapest, and that is for the eyebrow pencils. I have 2 $3 off coupons that I will be using. The eyebrow pencils are $6.49 each, so after those coupons, I'm going to pay $6.98 but receive a $6 extra care buck, which will make each package only 49 cents. I decided to pass on this deal, but I still wanted to go ahead and share with you guys. Next up is for Crest and Oral-B. For every 2 products you buy, you'll receive a $3 extra care buck. I'm going to go ahead and buy 4. Each product is listed for $2.99. First, I'm going to grab a toothbrush. I have a $1 digital coupon to use with that. And then next, I'm going to grab 3 of the Crest toothpastes, and that's because I have a digital coupon for 5 off of 3. So after all the coupons are applied, I'm going to pay $5.96 but receive $6 in extra care bucks, making the toothbrush and all 3 toothpastes completely free. Paparazzi nail polish is on sale for $2.50 each, and if you buy 2, you'll receive a $4 extra care buck. I'm going to buy 3 because I have a digital coupon for buy 2 get 1 free. So I'm going to end up paying $5 but getting back a $4 extra care buck, which will make each nail polish only 33 cents. Next up is going to be for laundry care items. I'm talking the Tide Simply, Bounce dryer sheets, Downy fabric softener. They are all on sale for $2.94, and there is a $1 off digital coupon on the CVS app, which will make each product only $1.94. A little bit too pricey for me, but if you are in desperate need of laundry detergent or just starting off with couponing, this would be an awesome deal for you. Halloween is only 4 weeks away, guys. That is so exciting. This week at CVS, the Halloween candy, the fun size, is on sale 3 for $8. But if you go to the CVS coupon machine, you should have a 2 off 3 coupon that prints out, which will make each fun size candy only $2 per bag. And while I was going down the food aisle, I saw a ton of food marked 75% off. None of this stuff was expired. Some of it was good until next year. Go ahead and check your stores and see what you can find. And then finally are the Nature Valley bars. I have a digital coupon for 2 off of 8, as well as I went on coupons.com and printed off $1 off 2 coupons. And then last, on Savings Star, there is a $1 off 2 rebate. So I'm going to end up paying $4 after coupons, but receiving that $1 rebate, which will make each box of granola bars only 75 cents. All right, sorry guys, ignore the sand in my trunk. We just took the kids to the beach before my husband left. I've yet to vacuum it out of my car. That is like the downside to living in Florida. I think I will always have sand in my car. Anyways, some of the items that I got on clearance at CVS, these were the sparkling ice that I was telling you guys about. I got 3 packs. One is already in my fridge. I gotta carry these other ones inside. They are 12 packs. These were $2.95 each. They were normally about $12. That is crazy. Like I said, I grabbed 3 packs. These Capri Suns, these are the organic strawberry lemonades. I only grabbed 2. We don't drink a ton of juice in this house, and they expire in November, so I only grabbed 2, but they were only $1.25 each. And then these Airhead bites. These don't expire until May of next year. I am a huge candy person. I have a huge sweet tooth. These will more so be for me. Good luck having me share with my kids. But yeah, they don't expire until May of next year. These were only 65 cents. I grabbed 5 bags of these. Again, these they don't expire until May of next year. So 65 cents, they were all mine. All right, guys, so here is my receipt with everything on it. Here's all the digital coupons. My subtotal before tax was $21.94, but I do want to adjust that. You can see I used some extra care bucks to pay. The first one was a care pass for $10. I'm only going to apply $5 to my subtotal because the care pass, half of that is a reward that I did not pay. So again, I'm not going to include that. Same with the beauty club. That is a reward that I earned, that $3 right there. So I'm going to use that last $3 and then the $5 from the care pass. So that's $8 that I'm going to tack onto my subtotal, making it $29.94. I did, however, get $16 in extra care bucks. I received $10 for the Nexus products and then $6 for all the oral care, which brings my total down to $13.94. But I did receive $3 back for the Tresemme, as well as $1 for the granola bars, making my grand total $9.94 for everything. I will add, if you just wanted the coupon items and you did not want any of the clearance food, my total not only would have been free, but it would have been a $4.66 moneymaker. That is so awesome. All right, so CVS went awesome. I'm so stoked about those 75% off snacks, especially those sparkling ice water bottles. For 75% off, yes, please, because I have bought those. They're very, very expensive, but my entire family loves those. So that was probably my favorite thing that I got today. I did actually go to Target this morning too. It was a small shopping trip. I didn't get much, so I'm going to do that with Walgreens. I'm going to go to Walgreens in the morning. I will combine a Walgreens and a Target video tomorrow just because they are smaller trips. I'm just going to combine the two, make it a little bit easier, but I am still really excited. Still really good deals. Again, it's about quality, not quantity of the deals at every store. So that is all I have for you guys today. Like always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And until next time, guys, bye.